Okay, here we are at Cyril's. Here we are. Our brother Wilson chewing on a bone. Portuguese water puppies. So they're 8 weeks or?
They're, I think, 10 weeks. But
10 weeks.
The vet thought they were 11 weeks, but I think they're only 10 weeks. They would have been 8 weeks, but I missed a week. They're 10 weeks old.
10 weeks old, okay. Now that's a bone for a dog.